In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix files not sending on WhatsApp web, and I promise this method is 100% working. Let's dive in and make sure you can send files smoothly on your WhatsApp web. First off, the quickest and simplest solution is to refresh the page. It might seem too simple, but you'd be surprised at how often a quick refresh can take care of those pesky temporary glitches that disrupt our day. To refresh the page, just click the refresh button on your browser or press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This can help reset the session and clear up any minor issues you're experiencing with WhatsApp web. Next, let's talk about clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, cache and cookies can build up and interfere with how web applications perform. It's always a good idea to clear these out regularly to ensure optimal performance. To clear your cache and cookies, go to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies and then clear them. This tidy up can make a big difference. Another approach you should consider is logging out and logging back into WhatsApp web. This action effectively resets your session, which can often resolve connection issues you might face. Just go to the WhatsApp web menu on your phone, tap log out from all devices, and then scan the QR code to log in again. It can refresh your session in a profound way. Don't underestimate the power of a good device restart. Restarting your device can clear out all sorts of temporary issues that might be affecting your browser's performance. It's a quick and simple step that we sometimes forget but can really help with these types of connectivity issues. Keeping your browser up to date is also crucial. Sometimes when browsers are outdated, they can cause compatibility issues with modern web applications like WhatsApp web. Make sure you're running the latest version of your browser by checking for any available updates in your browser settings and installing them. It not only patches security vulnerabilities but ensures smooth operation of all your web apps. Sometimes a quick restart of your browser can also work wonders. Close out all browser windows and then open them again. This can fix any temporary glitches and refresh your browser's memory. Finally, if you've tried everything and are still having issues, give a different web browser a shot. There can be particular quirks or settings in your current browser that are causing the problem. Switching to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge can often solve the issue right away. I hope these tips help you get your files sent smoothly on WhatsApp web. Sometimes it's the combination of these steps that leads to success, so don't hesitate to try one after another. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or need further assistance. Keep your tech running smoothly and enjoy the rest of your day.